Yes, Shravan. So in the last class, mainly we learned about the pattern in shapes, right? So pattern in shapes, I was teaching you from the basic, है ना? That what is 1D shapes, है ना? 2D shapes and then 3D shapes, right? One dimensional shape means it has only one dimension, that may be length, है ना? The 2D shapes are two dimensional shapes. Two dimensionals. How many dimensionals? Two dimensions. What they will be? Length and breadth. Very good, है ना? They will be length and breadth. Okay. And similarly, we learned 3D figures, है ना? 3D shapes. Okay. So 3D shapes are mainly how many dimensions?
3 dimensions.
3 dimension. What they will be?
Length, breadth and height.
Very good, है ना? They will be length, breadth and height, है ना? So 3 dimensions. Okay. All objects as you are seeing in your surroundings, है ना? They all in 3 dimension. They all in 3 dimension, right? Everything, है ना? Either it is a book, copy, pen, pencil, anything. It has also its own length, breadth and a height, right? है ना? So this is also a 3D object. Okay. The 2D shape we can make only in paper, है ना? With the help of pen or pencil, right? Or marker, है ना? As here. This is a 2D figure or 3D figure. This is a what type of figure? 2D or 3D? How? How many dimension you can see it? This side and this side length, and this side is breadth, this side is also breadth. So it is a 2D figure, na? It is a 2D figure, right? है ना? Yes. Okay. Now today we will learn examples of shapes sequence, है ना? And we already learned about the shape sequence, na?
Sir?
Shape sequence. Acha, we also learned that the branch of mathematics, the field of mathematics or the area of mathematics which deals with, है ना, patterns in shape, that branch is known as geometry, है ना? That is known as geometry. Okay, very good. And the shape sequence are one important type of shape pattern that mathematicians study, है ना? So say shape sequence is one of the important pattern in shapes, है ना? So today we will learn example of shape sequence. What we will learn today?
Examples of shapes.
Yes, examples of shape sequence. Shape sequence, है ना? Or sequences. Okay. Is it clear? You are on mute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's first see here the first type of, है ना? The first type of pattern. See, what is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. This is a triangle, right? है ना? How many sides? How many sides?
It has 3 sides.
It has 3 sides. Very good, है ना? It has 3 sides. 3s. Okay. Now we will make when we will take only one side, like this. This will be a line, है ना? Right? When we will make 2 sides, this will be a figure. This is the first side and this is the second side. But this is not a closed figure, है ना? This is not a closed figure. It is a open figure. right? So to make a closed figure we need at least 3 sides, है ना, 1 2 and this one, 3 sides, right? At least we need 3 sides. That's why we have started with 3 side closed figure. Okay, is it clear? Now we will take 4 sides. Now we will take 4 sides, है ना? See, तो 4 side figures or 4 side shapes are known as 4 side shapes are known as
Sir, 3D?
no, here I am not asking about the type of shapes, है ना? Either it is a 2D or 3D. No, I am asking about कि a 4 side shape, है ना, 1 2 3 4. So 4 side shape is known as here 3 side shapes known as triangle, है ना?
Oh, okay.
Try, TRI, try. You can easily learn it, है ना? Try means 3. Tree, है ना? TRI, tree means 3 or angle, है ना? Angle means which has 3 angles. You can also learn like this, है ना? तो tree means 3 and angle like this, 1 2 3. It has 3 angle, है ना? or 3 vertices, right? है ना? So its name is triangle. Similarly, this type of figure is known as
Square.
no. Do you know about the quadrilaterals?
No, sir, I don't know.
You have already learnt it in the 3 4 or 5 class, sure, in 5th class or 3 4th class, 3rd 4th, है ना? Quadrilaterals. So the shapes which has 4 sides are known as quadrilaterals. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Trilateral. ठीक ना? Quadrilateral. So 4 side shapes are known as quadrilateral. Okay, when you will learn shapes or quadrilateral in detail, then you will learn the different types of quadrilateral. Okay, the different types of quadrilaterals, such as a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. A quadrilateral means which has 4 sides, है ना? Which has 4 sides. So we can make different shapes in quadrilateral, right? With 4 sides ना. The first case is कि all sides are equal. The second case is opposite sides are equal. Okay. Third case like this. Okay. You can say adjacent sides are equal, है ना? You can also make like this. All these are quadrilaterals. These all are quadrilaterals, okay? But they have different properties. When all sides are equal, they will be known as square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
When opposite sides are equal, they will be known as rectangle. Okay? When it will be like this, adjacent side will be equal, then it will be known as kite. Or
Yes, sir. All three.
okay, let's first learn about only this name. Okay, otherwise you will become confused. This will be known as rhombus. The two sides are parallel, opposite sides, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it clear? Here also they will be parallel. Okay, but here it can be same or not. The size of the sides may be same or not. Okay, so they will be known as rhombus. Okay,
Yes, sir.
rhombus. Similarly, when all 4 sides are equal, they parallel. Okay, they will be known as parallelogram. They will be known as parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram. है ना? Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, is it clear? Or any doubt? So these all are the types of quadrilateral. They come in quadrilaterals. Okay, they are mainly the types of quadrilateral. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so the quadrilateral means a shape which has four sides, a shape which has four sides. But when we will learn it in detail in shape chapter or in quadrilateral chapter, then in that chapter we learn about these things. Okay, but here we have no need for these. Okay, is it clear? So I just write here for explaining. Okay, if you want to note down, you can note down it, no problem, for your understanding. But here we are learning about the patterns, shape sequence. Okay, so for this, according to shape sequence, we have no need for this. Okay, so can I erase it, or you want to note down it?
Yes, sir, you can erase it.
Okay, thanks. So do you understand what is quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Square is also quadrilateral, है ना? Rectangle is also quadrilateral. Mainly we can say that कि a side which has four sides are known as quadrilateral. A side which has a shape which has three sides are known as three sides.
Three sides are triangle.
Triangle, है ना? Then four sides are known as four sides quadrilateral. Now we will go with five sides. How many sides?
Five sides.
Five sides. See here, it can be like this, right? So five side shape are known as what type of shape?
Five side shapes.
So its name will be see, tree means three, quadri or quad, है ना? QUAD, quad means four, है ना? Similarly here it will be pentagon. Do you know about the pentagon?
Yes, sir.
It will be pentagon, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Right? So pentagon means a shape which has how many sides? How many sides? Five sides, है ना? Penta, you can also learn it like this. Penta means five, pentagon, है ना? Pentagon means a side which has a shape which has five sides. Okay, similarly a shape which has
Five sides and pentagon.
tell me. After this we will learn about six sides, है ना? Six sides. How many sides? Six sides. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so six side shapes are known as six sides shape are known as hexagon, है ना? It will be known as hexagon. Okay, hexagon, and hexagon means a shape which has six sides. Okay, we will say कि a shape which has six sides. Hexa means six. Okay, similarly as here, three sides, four sides, five sides, six sides, then how many sides? Seven sides. Now we will take seven side shape, है ना? Like this. See here, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, just wait a minute, 5, 6 and 7, like this. Okay, or let's see here, just wait a minute. See here, this is 1, 2.
Yes,
Okay, okay na? Now 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is 7. Okay, so as you can see here,
See your screen.
yes, now is it okay? Now it is okay na? 1, 2, you are on mute. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 है ना?
Yes, sir.
7. तो 7 side shapes are known as 7 sides.
Heptagon.
What?
Heptagon.
Heptagon. Very good है ना? It will be known as heptagon. Or the another name is also, there is one more name, that is septagon.
Heptagon.
Septagon है ना? Or we can say that septagon है ना? Septagon. So heptagon or septagon means a shape which has 7 sides. Sep है ना, means 7. Okay,
Yes, sir.
hepta. Okay, heptagon or septagon. Is it clear? Now
Yes, sir.
after this we will take a shape which has how many sides? How many sides?
8 sides.
8 sides है ना? It will have total 8 sides. See here, 1, okay,
Yes, sir.
2, 3 है ना?
Yes, sir.
4, 5, okay,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, then 6, 7,
Yes, sir.
and this one is 8. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
8 side shapes are known as a side which has a shape which has 8 sides. So 8 sides shapes are known as you can see here, A, B, this one C, this one D, E, F है ना, G and H. So here I name the all vertices. Okay,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so this shape will be known as
Octagon.
octagon. Very good है ना,
Yes, sir.
octagon है ना. So here you can easily learn it, just like octopus है ना, octopus.
Yes, sir.
Octopus has how many legs? Octopus has 8 legs है ना. Similarly here octa, octopus, octa, 8 sides है ना. How many sides? 8 sides. And then after this we will do for how many side shapes?
9 sides.
9 sides है ना. How many sides? It will be
9 sides.
9 sides. Let's see here how it will be 9. 1, okay, then 2, 3 है ना. 2,
Yes, sir.
3, after that wait,
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, wait, let's see here like this. 1, 2, okay है ना. After this it will be like 3, 4, okay, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, these will be total 9 sides है ना. See here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I है ना. So it has total 9 vertices. 9 vertices or 9 shape. So this type of shape will be known as, can you please tell me? यस,
Nanogon.
नैनोगॉन है ना.
Nanogon.
हाँ, नैनोगॉन. इट विल बी नोन एज, सॉरी,
Nanogon.
नोना. इट्स नॉट नैनो, सॉरी. नोनागॉन है ना. नोनागॉन, यस यस, नोनागॉन, राइट है ना. नोनागॉन. सो हाउ मेनी शेप्स? 9 sides. Sorry, shapes not side. So nona, n for 9, n for 9, n for 9. So 9 sides, sides है ना. Like this you can easily learn it है ना, right?
Yes, sir.
So nonagon means 9 sides. Okay. After this, how many sides?
10 sides.
10 sides. Okay.
Yes,
It
sir.
will be how many sides? So it will be 10
10
sides.
sides.
Let's see here how it will be 10.
Yes, sir.
See, 1. Okay. After this, 2, 3. Okay. 3, then
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
8, and then 9, and here 10. Okay. So these will be total 10 sides. Let's see here. If this one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J है ना. So how many vertices? 10 vertices. It will has
Yes.
total 10 vertices है ना, or 10 sides, we can say that. So this type of shape will be known as
Sir, decagon.
decagon. Very good है ना, decagon. Okay, is it clear? So deca means 10 sides है ना. जैसे एज वी से ना कि 10 years will form 1 decade है ना, 1 डेका. ओके. तो सिमिलरली हियर डेकागॉन मीन्स 10 sides. हाउ मेनी sides? 10 sides. Okay. Similarly you can do for 11 sides, 12 sides, 13 sides, and many more. Okay. Similarly you can do for 12, 11, 12, 13 like this. अच्छा, can you guess it just कि what will be the just wait a minute. As here 3 sides triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides septagon, 8 side octagon, 9 side nonagon, and 10 side decagon, right? Similarly, what will be the known as the figure which has 11, 12, 13 sides like this?
The
Yes.
hendecagon.
Yes, very good है ना. 11 side shapes is known as a shape which has 11 sides, or 11 vertices is known as hendecagon है ना. hen, hen, and then decagon, hendecagon. Okay. Similarly 12 sides डूडेकागॉन है ना, DO and decagon. ठीक है, डूडेकागॉन. Similarly we can do for 13, 14, 15, many more. Okay, many more. For 13 it is
It is
triskaidekagon है ना, triskaidekagon. Okay, so it will be your homework to find the name of the shapes from 11 to 15 sides है ना. Name of shapes which has 11 to 15 sides. Okay, so you have to do for 11 to 15 sides. Okay, Now one of the point, the main and very important point is कि this type of shape is known as, this type of shape is known as, here you can also see in a pattern, the pattern is 3 sides plus 1 4 sides plus 1 5 sides plus 1 6 sides, it will continue till infinity. Okay, is it clear? है ना? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this type of shapes are known as, can you please tell me?
Mm,
It is
sequences.
regular polygons, है ना? Regular polygons. Okay, so this type of shapes are known as regular polygon. Okay, अच्छा,
sir.
can you imagine and can you notice something here? Can you notice something here? When we will take 3 sides, here it will make a proper angle, right? 4 sides, 5 side, 6 side, 7 sides, 8 side. As you can see here, the angle become increase, है ना? The angle is increasing. Okay, the angle is increasing, and one after one it will become like a circle, है ना? But it is not circle in the 10 or 11 12 15. Okay, when you will do it infinity times, how many times? Infinity times, then after a certain number of times, or we can say that it will be a mainly infinity times, it will make a circle. Okay, no any vertex will be here, है ना? So this is the this is that कि how circle formed. Okay, how circle formed or how circle came. ठीक है, कि when you will take infinity number of times of sides, है ना, or that number of sides where you will get no vertex, है ना, there will be no vertex, then at that time it will become a circle. Okay, where it will be, where it will be, where it will has, where it will has no sides or no vertices. Okay, is it clear? So this is the concept of regular polygons. Okay, please note down it first.